Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing of an affordable smartphone in the sub 15k price segment. It's a Centric A1 which was recently announced in India. So Centric is a relatively new brand in India, and the company has announced their most affordable yet powerful smartphone, the Centric A1. And the highlight of this device is that it comes with good specification and a Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3.0 at this price segment. So this device is priced 10,999, and this is the box pack of this device. You can see here the mention of the Snapdragon, Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 is the chipset. We have a Quick Charge 3.0, 256GB expandable memory, 4G LTE, DTS sound, and this is the Centric A1. And here we have the detailed specifications mentioned. We have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 octa-core chipset, Adreno 505 GPU, 5.5-inch Full HD display, 13 megapixel rear camera, 5P lens, f-stop 2.0, 8 megapixel selfie camera, DTS sound, and 3000 mAh battery with a Quick Charge 3.0, Type-C USB port, and Android 7.1.1 Nougat out of the box. We have all the sensors included, rear mounted fingerprint scanner, dual SIM cards, 256GB expandable storage, and 3GB RAM and 32GB storage included. So the pricing is 10,999, and we have the metallic gray of this device. So this was announced towards the end of last year. We got the device right now, and this is already an open box from Centric. So let's open it. So you can see here Centric A1 on the top. So opening up, you can see this the device. Looks good in terms of the fit and finish. It's a matte finish, and we have this 13 megapixel rear camera, LED flash, and the fingerprint scanner, Centric logo, DTS logo as well. And on the front panel we have these three capacitive touch buttons and USB-C type port at the bottom. Along with that you have the speaker unit. Up top we have the 3.5mm audio jack and the microphone, and the left side houses the SIM tray. And on the right side we have the power and volume keys. The top panel houses the 8 megapixel camera. We have a flash as well. Now let's see what else comes inside the box. So opening up, we have the earphones included. So you can see here Type-C charging cable, and there is also an earphone included. Let's see the quality of the earphones. So looks quite decent earphones for this pricing. So we'll test out the quality later. Then we have this adapter. So this is the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 supported adapter. So you can see the output is 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere, and 12 volt 1.5 ampere. So that's QC 3.0. And here we have a SIM ejector pin included. And let's see what else comes inside. So we have a case included. The silicone case is included. So that's quite good. A lot of devices have been shipping with the cases right now. And we also have a tempered glass. This is a complimentary accessory. So we have a tempered glass for the A1 as well. That's quite good. And what else comes inside? We have this manual included as well. So this is the manual for the A1. So the detailed manual is provided with this. So that's all inside the box. Now let's get started with the device. So that's the Centric A1. You can see we have booted the device, and the UI looks quite similar to the stock Android. So we have a few apps from Centric included as well. So you can see here Centric Care is there, then FM radio is there, DTS sound app is included, then some software updates as well. So that's the UI. Let's go to the settings and see what all is being offered here. So this is the settings panel. Again, quite similar to the stock Android. So we have Android 7.1.1 out of the box, and this is the Centric A1, and we get 32GB storage out of the box. So that's the storage available. Now let's have a look at the camera as well. So this is the 13 megapixel camera unit available on this device. So the interface is this is the interface. So we have different modes here: auto, HDR, portrait, landscape, and some modes are included. Then we have the option to choose the video recording as well as the portrait, the panorama images, and we have a picture quality as 4:3 at 13 megapixel, and some options as well. So let's just take a quick capture. So that's the capture we have just taken right now, and here are some of the samples we have taken with this device after unboxing the device. So we'll also be talking about the detailed camera aspects in the detailed review of this device, so stay tuned for that. So as of now, this device comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera and an 8 megapixel front facing camera for selfies. So the front facing camera also comes with a flash. So this is the flash which is included for the front facing camera. So that was a quick unboxing and hands-on with the Centric A1. So we'll be coming up with a detailed review a bit later after using the device for a few days. So this device is priced 10,999 and available online as well, and you can buy this device using the link in the description of this video. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.